What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing things a little different. We're getting down and dirty in the kitchen, baking up some seriously delicious pastry pockets. That's right, we've got 10, count 'em, 10 irresistible recipes that are gonna have you looking like a baking champion. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, because we're about to embark on a culinary journey that'll leave your taste buds begging for more. Now let's crank up the oven, grab our aprons, and get this pastry party started. All right, guys, let's kick things off with a classic apple cinnamon pastry pockets. First things first, we need 2 Granny Smith apples, peeled and diced. Now, toss those beauties in a bowl with a tablespoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix it all up and let those flavors mingle while we get our dough ready. Now for the pastry, you can use store-bought puff pastry or make your own. I won't judge. Roll out the pastry and cut it into squares about 6 inches by 6 inches. Spoon a generous amount of our apple mixture onto each square, fold it diagonally to form a triangle, and crimp the edges with a fork to seal in all that goodness. Brush the tops with a little melted butter and sprinkle with some turbinado sugar for that extra crunch. Pop them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're golden brown and puffed up. Get ready for a chocolate explosion because these chocolate hazelnut pastry pockets are next level. This time we're going full-on decadent. Grab yourself a jar of Nutella, you know, the good stuff, and spread a generous layer onto each pastry square. Sprinkle some chopped hazelnuts on top because, well, you can never have too much hazelnut in your life. Fold those squares into triangles, seal the edges, and brush with a mixture of 1 egg yolk and a tablespoon of milk for that beautiful golden sheen. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes and prepare for pure chocolatey bliss. Hold on, we're switching gears. For all you savory food lovers out there, these spinach and feta pastry pockets are gonna rock your world. Grab a bag of fresh spinach and saute it with some minced garlic until it's wilted and fragrant. Now, crumble in some feta cheese, season it with salt, pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Spoon this savory goodness onto your pastry squares. Fold, seal, and brush with that egg wash we used earlier. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 20 minutes and get ready for a flavor explosion. Chapter 4, Ham and Cheese Pastry Pockets. The ultimate snack attack. Let's be real, who doesn't love a classic ham and cheese combo? These ham and cheese pastry pockets are the perfect snack or light lunch. Grab some deli sliced ham and your favorite cheese. I'm going with cheddar today, but feel free to get wild with it. Layer a slice of ham and cheese on each pastry square, fold them into triangles, and seal the edges tightly. You can use a fork for this, or get fancy with a pastry crimper if you're feeling professional. Brush with an egg wash because, well, golden brown pastries are the best kind of pastries. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 18 minutes, or until the pastry is puffed and golden. Chapter 5, Blueberry Cream Cheese Pastry Pockets. Bursting with berryliciousness. It's time for another sweet treat, and these blueberry cream cheese pastry pockets are guaranteed to satisfy your sweet tooth. In a bowl, combine softened cream cheese, powdered sugar, a splash of vanilla extract, and mix until smooth and creamy. Spoon a dollop of this heavenly mixture onto each pastry square, top with a generous amount of fresh blueberries, and fold into triangles. Seal the edges, brush with that trusty egg wash, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes, or until golden and bubbly. Chapter 6, Mushroom and Swiss Pastry Pockets. For the sophisticated foodie, calling all mushroom lovers, these mushroom and Swiss pastry pockets are about to become your new favorite appetizer. Saute sliced mushrooms with butter, garlic, and thyme until golden brown and tender. Season with salt and pepper to your liking. Sprinkle shredded Swiss cheese over each pastry square, top with the sautéed mushrooms, and fold into triangles. Seal the edges, brush with an egg wash, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes, or until golden and bubbly. Get ready for a flavor combination that's out of this world. These strawberry Nutella pastry pockets are the perfect blend of sweet, fruity, and chocolatey. Spread a layer of Nutella on each pastry square, because let's be real, Nutella makes everything better. Top with sliced fresh strawberries, fold into triangles, seal the edges, and brush with an egg wash. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes or until golden and bubbly. Looking for a comforting and satisfying meal? These chicken Alfredo pastry pockets are here to save the day. Cook diced chicken in a pan until golden brown and cooked through. Stir in your favorite Alfredo sauce, heat through, and season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Spoon this creamy goodness onto each pastry square. Top with shredded mozzarella cheese, fold into triangles, seal the edges, and brush with an egg wash. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes or until golden and bubbly. Embrace the flavors of fall with these pumpkin spice pastry pockets. In a bowl, combine canned pumpkin puree, brown sugar, pumpkin spice, and a pinch of salt. Spoon this mixture onto each pastry square, fold into triangles, seal the edges, and brush with an egg wash. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes or until golden and puffed. For an extra touch of fall, sprinkle with a cinnamon sugar mixture before baking. Start your day off right with these bacon, egg, and cheese pastry pockets, the ultimate breakfast treat. Cook bacon until crispy, then crumble it into pieces. Whisk together eggs, milk, salt, and pepper. Spoon a bit of the egg mixture onto each pastry square, top with the crumbled bacon and shredded cheese, fold into triangles and seal the edges. Brush with an egg wash and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes or until the pastry is golden brown and the eggs are set. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of our pastry pocket journey. Now it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor.